Hi, I'm Jack, and this is the Scala Rider, an immensely feature-rich communication tool made by bikers and for bikers. It connects to your mobile phone, your GPS device. You can talk to your passenger or other bikers on the integrated intercom. You can even listen to music on the built-in FM radio or your own MP3 player. The Scala Rider fits any helmet. It's easy to install, and within minutes, you're ready to go. And now, let's go for a Scala Rider experience.
Hey, Jack.
Hey, John.
What's that on your helmet?
It's a Scala Rider Bluetooth headset. Want to try one?
No, I don't need any gadgets. I got a speaker on my cell phone.
Okay, then. Let's hit the road.
Scala Rider enables you to handle your phone calls by voice control, so your hands remain where they belong, on the handlebar.
Answer phone.
Hey, Jack.
Hey, Eddie, how you doing?
Fine. How about you?
I'm doing just fine, man.
I'm on my motorcycle.
You sound great.
Well, I'm using my Scala Rider headset. It adjusts itself automatically according to the ambient noise and speed.
Oh. I'll get back to you later.
Say, what is this thing?
It's a Scala Rider earphone, so we can talk on the way.
Cool. I'm Jenny, by the way.
So, Jenny, where are we headed anyway?
I heard there's a great bar just around the corner.
Cool. Mark it on my GPS.
Okay.
Please turn right at the next junction.
It just said to turn right.
Yeah, right.
No, we should have turned right.
Don't worry, it's going to be all right.
No.
Let's put on some music.
Sure. How can I turn it on?
Simply push the button on the side of your Scala Rider.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Nice.
You have reached a dead end.
So can you hear it now? Hey guys, what took you so long?
You know, John, my offer still stands.
Thanks, Jack. I think I'll try it after all. Can you hear me? Is this loud enough?
John, there's no need to shout. I hear you just fine, man.
It sounds great, Jack.
I told you, beats a speaker any day, huh?